Well, tell us what you're working on and the pharma sector, because there are also there's a lot of work happening with therapeutics, so that we can take therapeutics and use it as a bridge until we actually do have a vaccine. Where are we on that? And explain therapeutics for us.
Yeah, perfectly said, Maria. So we have a very robust therapeutics pipeline in this country, great public-private partnerships, and really the American clinical research machine has responded beautifully. So right now we're overseeing at FDA over 140 clinical trials that are looking at therapeutics for treatments for COVID-19. And in addition to that, there are more than 450 in the pipeline. Just give you a couple examples. Remdesivir was authorized by the FDA. Reduces hospital stay. Dexamethasone has been shown to have an amazing 30% reduction in mortality in hospitalized sick patients. We have a convalescent plasma program where you take the plasma and antibodies from someone who's recovered from the illness and give it to someone who's sick. It would be great if people in this country who've had the COVID-19 virus could donate plasma. We're waiting on the effectiveness results from that big program, but there's a great demand for that. Doctors are writing it. And then finally, we have a number of clinical trials on what's called monoclonal antibodies, where you can synthetically generate those antibodies and then give that to people who had COVID-19. That's important because that can act as a bridge, and it can be given not just as a treatment, but it could also potentially, if the data support it, be given as an injection to prevent, so prophylaxis against acquiring the disease. So very robust pipeline, and that gets us to the vaccine.